hearing a very loud buzzing sound for some reason, and I'm sure when I call you on Monday, it's not going to sound probably the same. So I figure I'd come out and video record it as I pull these weeds out. And you watch, now that I'm taking a video, it's not going to do it, but this buzzing sound's been happening like every few minutes for the last few hours. You hear that? That was the buzzing sound that I'm hearing. It sounds like it's coming from the bottom of the AC unit. Sometimes it's louder than other times. I'll try to see if I can get it one more time. But this is a sound I've never heard before. You know, I hear it when it kicks on. It makes that buzzing sound, or a buzzing sound, but not this, because the AC is running right now. All right, I think you've gotten it. There's two of them. That's what's been doing that distance apart since this morning.